This is the Milwaukee M12 Stubby impact wrench. It is a half-inch impact wrench that is able to deliver up to 300 Nm of torque. The box comes with the Stubby impact wrench, a 6Ah 12V battery, as well as a 3Ah 12V battery. It also comes with a charger for charging 12V batteries from the Milwaukee range. The Milwaukee Stubby impact wrench is extremely handy. It weighs only 1.37 kilos and has a length of only 124 mm. This means that you are able to access compact spaces with a high amount of torque power. This half-inch impact wrench comes with a friction ring on its anvil, allowing for quick change of sockets. The side of the tool also shows you the battery life available. There is an LED light in the front that allows illumination of the space you are working with. The Milwaukee impact wrench comes with 4 modes. The first mode is 85 Nm of torque. The second mode is 125 Nm of torque. The third mode is 339 Nm of torque. There is also a fourth mode that allows you to quickly set screws before you secure them more tightly. This is a very versatile impact wrench. The half-inch square drive allows you to operate in most applications, both in the automotive as well as the construction sector. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.